Uh, Dear student, today I am going to calculate the time period of the second pendulum. Here a problem is given to you. The effective length of the second pendulum is increased 25.6%. So find out the time period of the second pendulum. We know the second pendulum where the time period of the second pendulum is 2 seconds. So here is taken T1 is 2 seconds and L2 will be let the initial length of the second pendulum is L1 and the initial time period of the second pendulum is T1. So L2 will be 25.6 of L1, where L1 is the initial length of the second pendulum, and this and added by the initial length. So finally L2 will have this one. So here L1 is common, so we have this 1 plus this equal to this. So L2 equal to this. So we have to find out the T2 equal to this. So we know the equation of the simple pendulum equal to T equal to 2 pi L1 by G and T2 equal to 2 pi L2 by G. Why should we take T1 and T2? Because the time period will be different. So T1 and T2 has been taken. G is constant because when time period is varied with the length, so acceleration due to gravity will be constant. So T1 equal to 2 pi L1 by G, L2 and T2 equal to this. If we divide T2 by T1 in this way, T2 equal to this, T1 equal to this, so we will vanish both sides, 2 pi and 2 pi, so we will have this. G is vanished by G, so we will finally have L2 by L1. Now putting the value of these, we will have finally 2.24 second. How to calculate it, you know better. Thank you very much.